On the dyno, not that one, this one here. As you can see, we've got the genuine safety stands in under there, all ready to go. We've got her set up with the long range 2-stroke fuel tank. We've got the dyno approved blower fan. So what we'll do now, we'll give her a kick in the guts and see if it all works. As you can see, there's a Macca built XE Falcon power steering box in a 1959 Customline. We'll go around here, we'll have a look at the pump setup that he's put in. Not too bad, not too shabby. Pretty good for a bloke with a welder and a grinder. So we'll go over to the electronic board here. As you can see, it's well set up on the good old Poppy built wooden stand. We'll connect her up and see what happens. With a bit of luck, folks, she will go. We'll just come up here, we'll give her a couple of squirts of the old tea straight down her throat. And nothing like a lot always works. Rightio, we'll give her a big kick in the guts and see what happens. Yep, nothing's happening. Oh well. Just like those bloody TV shows, eh? We'll give her a lot of that's what she needs, a bit more of the 2-stroke down the throat. Give her a kick again. Hang on, she's being a bit ignorant. Have a look at that. It's alive. As you can see, we've got the perfectly presented rat rod motor, which is a lovely 302 little Windsor. We'll just give her a bit of a whirl. Oh yeah, that's better. Oh, hold on, I forgot to turn on the big turbo fan. Here we go. Oh shit, look at that, nearly blew off the stands.